Yo, what is up? Today I'll be doing a unboxing of this. This is a head strap. We're gonna get to that in a minute. First, I want to talk about these. These are grips for your Oculus Quest 2 controllers. So this is the name of them. I got them on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. That's the name real quick. Now I'm gonna try to pronounce that. So anyways, this is on already. I'm gonna show you guys with this one, just how to put it on real quick. So you would go to the battery area, you slide down this little rubber piece right here and string, you just pull it out like that. Then you put this back on. Like so. Then you'll slide this down. Let's see how I do it. These things are cool. They don't, they fit perfectly. They don't like, it doesn't hinder anything. Like, you can use them. There's a little strap right here, as you can see. Adjust it. These rubber things right here makes it kind of like stretchy. You can see that it's kind of stretchy, so that helps a little to put your hand in. But yeah, you just use it like that. It don't fall off. These are pretty neat. I like them. This design is so it can still read your movements, so it works just fine. I used them already. Yeah, so that's cool. Let's get to the main event, which is this guy here. This is the name, Kiwi. It's Kiwi design. So this is a head strap. So this is the head strap itself. This is a little preview menu. If you guys want to read that, just pause the video. The back side of it. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. Here's a quick guide how to replace your head strap. And then there's a little clean off thing they give you. Put that to the side. Alright, so what you get in the box. Get this. Ooh, yeah, this is soft. Feels good. This is the strap that goes over your head. And then we're gonna take a back piece. This is the back piece. It shows you, right and left, so you don't get confused. Then this adjusts it. See that? Bam! Yes, sir. That noise doesn't sound good. So this is the old strap. I'm gonna show you guys real quick on how to replace it. This thing here just pops off like this, like so. Just pull it, pull the top part. So there's clips here, and then there's clips at the bottom piece, and you just pull them out. It's pretty simple. And then we're gonna get this strap out. That's what we're going for. Just pull this out first. This piece separates from that end. I just pull them out like that. Oops. So that's off. So this is how it looks without anything on there. Anyways, So let's put this on. So first you want to, there's two things here, left and right. There's two things here. So this is the top. This is going to go on your head. It's go on the back of your head. So put this in. Make sure both sides are in there, and just push down pretty firmly. This is the strap that goes on top. So make sure you have this right side up, so that strap is going to go into here. So you have your strap on top. Let's actually do that first. Put the strap on first. Slide it and wiggle it. So we'll through some. Then we'll go ahead and connect this. I like to do the front first, and then the back. It just snaps into place. Just make sure it's in there. Oh, sorry. Same thing for this side. Do the front first. Okay. There we go. Yeah, that's it. Let's put this strap on. So that's how it looks. I'm not done yet. Of course I have to put this back on. So you just put this. I'll put this on quick just to show you guys. It just snaps back in place. There we go. So that's how it looks. This is the original piece that came with it, the face covering. I just put the rubber on here, which I prefer better. You could just wipe your sweat off or whatever, you know. But yeah, this is how it looks. And then make it larger or smaller. This thing back here, nice and soft, comfortable. Yeah, that's it there. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and even comment if you have one, if you got one yet. The Oculus or the Headstrap or even the rubber grips here. Yeah, let me know what you guys think, what you guys liked, what you didn't like. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.